What's up guys, Biker Dave here with another home fix-it video. I have other videos about this refrigerator, so check out my channel. Just search for KitchenAid. This is a KitchenAid. Here's the model number, KRSC503ESS01. There's a serial number also, but just take a look at the lights. Basically, that's what this video is about. I've got a light that is out in the freezer. This guy just went out on me. So if you want to compare to yours, see how these lights here, just look at the layout of the freezer. I'm sure there are other models, probably some Whirlpool models that have a similar light, maybe some other brands as well. All you need is just a medium size or a slim flat bladed screwdriver. And you're just going to pry it out from up top basically. Okay, I'm a little one-handed, but you're just going to slide the screwdriver up in there and just start prying down and just pry all the way in, and these little tabs will come loose. Don't break them. But you're going to replace this whole light assembly anyway, so don't worry about it. Remove these little clips of the lights. So you can just use your fingers. There's a couple of tabs on them if it'll stay in focus. Just remove the lights and recall, maybe you want to take a photo of it before you disconnect them. And then there'll be a part number on the back of it that you can look up and replace. Okay, here it is. It's an LED style light. See the clips here, you have one right there you're going to remove, then the other one you remove. It's just a couple of tabs, no big deal. You can remove the lights just by hand, just by pressing on the little clips. So let's look at a part number here. There's a part number on the top right there. So just Google that part number. Or Google your model of refrigerator and just make sure the one you're buying looks the same. Notice it's about, 4 or 5 inches long, a couple inches wide, LED style. It's got these tabs in the center. Make sure those are not broken. On your new one. I'll see if I can find them online and put a link in the description as well as in the top comment. And just reverse what you've done to reinstall. Just make sure you know which. See, the wiring can only go one way because you got two little prongs right there, and then it's a little skinnier right there. So it's pretty much impossible to screw it up as far as when you reinsert the wiring. And then you'll just pop it back up in there the way it came out. It came out this way. So it'll just, you just wedge it up in there and just bump it up in there. And those little tabs will hook back in place. And that'll do it. Now, I don't have the replacement part yet, but it shouldn't be any problem. So check out my channel. I got other videos on how to repair the ice maker on this model. So make sure you look for, just search my channel for KitchenAid refrigerator, as well as some other appliances and things I've done repairs on. So check it all out. And if our video really helped you or saved your life, make sure you click the thanks donation button. You'll see it underneath the video screen. And feel free to shoot us a donation. We really appreciate it. And you'll have a great afternoon. We'll see you.